Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama in the North Pole. A camera-bright drone captures a surprising scene as Santa Claus appears on his sleigh with reindeer, prompting the crew to follow and search for him from above. The Santa they glimpse seems to be studying a map, possibly plotting a path or a treasure-like objective, which triggers a tense chase across the snow as he digs and moves between trees, unsure of what the map is leading him to. The action escalates when a green-clad figure lurking in the trees is revealed, and the mystery deepens as Santa uncovers a black bag and pulls out a device described as the Time Warper, a gadget thought to slow time so Santa can deliver presents. The crew narrating the footage narrate a growing danger as the Grinch reveals himself and closes in on Santa, a confrontation that quickly turns chaotic when the Grinch manages to seize the Time Warper and Santa is knocked into the snow. The Grinch's possession of the device thrusts Christmas into jeopardy, with Santa slowed to a crawl and the Grinch bravely if menacingly pressing his advantage, while the drone operators fear the device could be used to halt or ruin the holiday. In a frantic turn, the drone operator suggests crashing through to reclaim control, driving the narrative toward a rapid chase and rescue attempt while Santa remains temporarily immobilized, watching as the Grinch prowls and plans to steal not just the device but possibly the entire operation of Christmas. As the tension peaks, the crew, hiding indoors to avoid detection, recognizes the critical moment when Santa's fate hangs in the balance and the Grinch edges closer to locking down the Time Warper. The narrative pauses on a cliffhanger as the operators identify an opportunity to seize the Time Warper themselves, hinting at a daring plan to prevent Christmas from being derailed and to restore Santa's motion, setting up the continuation of the scene and the next phase of their intervention. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.